In this module, we will be getting an introduction to the TypeScript. So what is TypeScript? TypeScript is a strongly typed programming language that builds on JavaScript, giving you better tooling at any scale. So basically, this language adds the static typing to JavaScript. As you all know, that JavaScript does not have data types. You do not define the data types for a variables. TypeScript helps you do it. So in this way, TypeScript helps you make your code scalable and error free. Alright, so we will be seeing how to set up the TypeScript environment and the benefits of TypeScript as well. So if you see this documentation, you can get everything here like TS for the new programmer or the JS programmers. If I go for the new programmer, so here you will see everything from the basic. Apart from that, if you go to the JS programmer, like this. So guys, as you can see, there are numerous benefits of using the TypeScript. The very first one is simply clear that it will show you the errors right in your IDE so that you do not have to face errors on production, since this adds the static typing. Apart from that, it also has a lot of new features like you can add interfaces, you can define your custom types and combine the data types as well, and it has good syntax of object oriented programming, because in this way you can also define private or public fields. Those things you cannot do in JavaScript. Okay, so yeah, these are the benefits, and now we will be moving on to our IDE to set up the TypeScript project. Here I am. Now what I will do is that I will open the terminal and npm install TypeScript. Let's do this one now. Alright, now what I will do is npm install -g ts node. So this ts node thing will help us run our TypeScript files directly. Alright, so here what I can do is I can type this command npx tsc init, and this will create your new TypeScript project. Now you will see that you have a tsconfig.json. Here you have all of this, so many properties. But anyway, let us delete all of those, and I will be giving you the properties actually. Like this. So here we see the experimental decorators. So emit decorator metadata, you don't really want to see the metadata. Emit design type metadata for decorated declaration. So we will see what decorators are later on. And the target is currently ES5. In the strict property initialization, we are currently setting to false. Now, this all will be available on GitHub for you. So we have our TypeScript project set up. Now we will create one TypeScript file, index.ts, and let's say const a number equals to 10, const b number equals to 20. Now console.log a plus b. What will be the output? We can install the code runner extension as well, this code runner extension, so that we can run our code from here. Okay, I will click on this and see 30. Alright, so this worked, but what if I do something else? like this. Will it work? Of course, because it has undergone the type conversion. But how does it check the data types? So what we will do is parse int a. Now you see the error. Argument of type number is not assignable to parameter of type string. Here a is a number, but you are passing a number and it requires a string. So parsing requires a string, but you are passing a number. So you see that is how TypeScript helps us. But here if I do to string, then it will work like this. So that is how we can set up our TypeScript project, and in the upcoming videos we will also be seeing how to work with TypeScript so that you get all your basics covered about TypeScript, and later on we will be seeing how to test your TypeScript files. Alright, so meet you in the next video. Bye.